Lincoln worked in the chains 2 space of the round 22. One half double crochet, chains 2, 1 half double crochet, 14 half double crochet front post, repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet front post. Total 144 half double crochet front post, 8 chains 2. Raspberry. Work in the chains 2 space of the round 22. One single crochet, chains 10. One bobble triple between the puffs of the round 21. Chains 10. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total 8 bobble triples, 8 single crochets, 16 chains 10. Meadow. Work in the chain 1 space of the round 21. Three double crochets close together. Chains 2. 3 double crochets close together. Continue in the back loop of the round 23. One single crochet, 2 half double crochets, 4 double crochets, 1 double crochet front post in the bobble of the round 24. Skip 1 stitch. Four double crochets. Two half double crochets. One single crochet. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total 16 3 double crochets close together, 8 double crochets front post, 64 double crochets, 32 half double crochets, 16 single crochets, 8 chains 2. Meadow. Start in the second 3 double crochets close together. Seventeen half double crochets front post. Chains 3. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet front post. Total 136 half double crochets front post, 8 chains 3. Black. Work in the back loop of the round 25. Bring forward the 25 round chains and work 2 puffs separated by chains 2. Work in the back loop of the round 25. Starting in the second 3 double crochets close together. 6 half double crochets, 5 double crochets, 6 half double crochets. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first puff. Total 40 double crochets, 16 puffs, 96 half double crochets, 8 chains 2, black, 1 half double crochet front post in the second puff of the round 27, 15 half double crochets back post, repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet front post. Total 8 half double crochets front post, 120 half double crochets back post, 8 chains 2, black. Bring forward the 3 chains of the round 27 and work 2 puffs separated by chains 2. Seventeen half double crochets front post. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the close chain of the first puff. Total 18 puffs. (136 half double crochets front post, 8 chains 2,